Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix sound or audio problem in Mistfall Hunter game. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. Now the first solution is steps to fix sound or audio problem in Mistfall Hunter game. So open Windows settings. On the left click on system, click on sound, scroll down, then click on more sound settings. Then select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on properties. Now go to the spatial sound tab, and from the drop down first select off option, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work and if spatial sound is already set to off, then from drop down select Windows Sounding for headphones, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Solution 2 is steps to fix audio problem or sound problem in Mistfall Hunter if you are using a Bluetooth headphones. So right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer settings. Right click your headphones and select properties. Now go to services tab, uncheck hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Click on apply. Now check if it solves your issue or not. Solution 3 is to make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for the sound settings or audio settings within the Mistfall Hunter game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Additionally, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using speakers and see if that helps or not. Solution 4 is to set default sound device. So click on sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve sound or audio problem in Mistfall Hunter game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.